Here we are by the campfire.
Inexplicably access to beer.
Etienne seems to be having a good time with his uncles.
Say hi. Hi, everybody.
We got a nice fire going. Etienne helped us build it. You can't see it yet. We haven't finished recording. Do you want to put some more wood on the fire, Etienne?
You want to put some wood on the fire? Oh, I miss you. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Rajon, put that evergreen on there. Make it flash up a little bit. Uncle Rajon's gonna make this happen here now.
So cool, man.
What are stars?
Stars are like our sun. They're really far away.
Oh, he's gonna make some sparks on it. Look, they're going way up in the sky.
Look at that.
More sparks going up.
Fire's going crazy.
Oh, look, they're going way up, Etienne.
Way up. Look at it. Look
Uncle Rajon's gonna make it go up.
Look at that.
Why did it go up higher?
Oh, look at the smoke. The smoke.
There's
is
beer in the
like
sky.
pressure. Forces them up.
Now, they can't actually make it there, but they don't know that.
Oh, he's got to get down there. We're keeping an eye on him, don't worry. There it goes. Oh, look, it's in. Oh, he's going to get up on the rock. You stay up there. Stay away from the fire, bud. Just let Uncle Rajon do that. Oh, this is going to be a good one.
Uh-oh. Look at that big tree.
Yeah, put the whole thing on there, Rajon.
Burns a little higher, but he's stacking.
Yeah, just put her all on there, bud. That's a pretty cool effect. You can see the blue flame, like the camera is actually capturing blue lines going up. Etienne, you be careful there, boy.
Be careful. That's the fire on the end. That'll burn you. You can't touch
Sorry, we've made a fire bucket of Etienne. He's an official camper man now. And even Pete's standing up by a tree. So proud of him. Did a good job. Oh, here we go.
back away from the fire.
Go by Uncle Andre, Etienne.
Come up here. The fire's going to get real warm. So.
Yeah, it's a big one.
Watch out. That stick. It's a hot stick.
Sorry, everyone in Texas. Yeah, we kind of converted him to a firebug, and he kind of likes it. He's in good hands, though. Don't worry. We're all professionals here.
We've been drinking whiskey and setting fires for years.
I'm a veteran. No worries. Alright, gonna sign out and let this fire burn down because the boys got it going a little big now, so we're gonna let this burn down and get under control. And Etienne, you stay there.
Stay away from the fire.
You stay. Signing off.